Love is echo. Love is not just a word, it's heartbeat in a quiet room, a whisper in the silence of the granite street, a touch that linger even when hands let go. It's that space between breaths where time stops for just a moment, where every glance, every loud, every tears feel like an eternity. Love is the language spoken without sound, the truth held in the space between our words. It's not just the fire that the burn bright, but the warmth that stay long after the flame has faded. Love is the patient when the world is rushing. It's standing when the nothing makes sense. It's that way you still smile at the person, even when life has made you cry. Love is the spoken promise that will be there no matter what. That through every storm we'll find our way together. Love is not the picture we paint in our minds. It's not the first fairy tales. The fairy tales we told as a kids. It's not a flawless moment or perfection or a sunset that fades too quickly. Love is messy. Love is the space between the lines, the silence that speak louder the words, and the spoken bond connects two sounds without that needs or explanation. Love is the hands that hold you wherever together in the stand, and the eyes that see you even when you holding your truth. It the weight of the simple ear's heart in your hands, and still knowing you will carry it forever. Love is the quiet control of someone who knows you not just in the best moments but in your brokenness. It does the way you hold in the space and gently help you rebuild. Love is not avoid fixing each other, but about finding in the beauty in the cracks.